Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at the Canon PowerShot PX, and we're going to show you 3 things we love about this clever little camera. It has subject recognition, it's voice activated, and it's got a really portable design. So we're going to head to the lab now, where it's going to be my personal photographer for the day. So we're in the lab, and this is the Canon PowerShot PX in white. We've also got it set up over there in black as well, and they've both been taking photos throughout the day, which you'll see in this video and also up on screen. But first up, let's talk about subject recognition. When it comes to taking pictures of the moments in life that matter most, there's always someone missing from the photo. It's you, the person behind the camera, or you're too busy with the camera that you're not actually in the moment enjoying it. Well, you can forget about that with this camera because it's essentially your own photographer. Now, it recognises tracks and prioritises faces, and as it has automatic continuous shooting, you can leave it be and let it capture those candid moments at a family event. It also means that you can capture those people that matter most to you as well. It also pans, tilts and zooms, which makes it perfect for a group shot. So at the end of a shoot day, we always take a photo of everyone on set. So if I can get everyone over, and we'll see how it comes out on this camera. So if we pop it up here, stand back for our group photo. Next up, let's talk about the voice commands that you can use with this Canon PowerShot. This is great when you want to be in control of your shots. So there's 4 in total that cover off different functions, whether that's taking a photo instead of a video or prioritising different faces. All you need to do is say, "Hello Pixie," then the relevant command. And finally, it's got a really nice portable design with up to 5 hours battery life with USB-C charging. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, which links up to your smartphone via the free Canon Mini PTZ app. So it's really great for family events, both indoor and outdoor. If you'd like more info on the Canon PowerShot PX, you can visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our experts on a Shop Live video call.